Google's much anticipated Pixel 9 series is about 5 months away, yet it has seemed to leak more and more with each passing day. I was a bit shocked when I discovered that the true successor to the Pixel 8 Pro will be named the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and instead the Pixel 9 Pro will be a compact flagship much like the iPhone 16 Pro. I do feel Google has the opportunity to name the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which in itself is a mouthful, to the Pixel 9 Ultra, but that's a discussion for a future video for which you can subscribe to the channel. In this video, let's discuss the leaks about the new addition to the Pixel family, the Pixel 9 Pro. In terms of the design, Google is changing a few things. First of all, we are getting a flat design that follows the S24 series, which in turn was inspired by the iPhone 15 series. Personally, I don't mind this design change as I did like the feel of the iPhone 15 Pro in the hands. However, I'm sure Google won't be using titanium in the frame. The camera visor is also no longer melting into the sides of the phone and instead follows the design of the Pixel Fold. But hey, as long as the visor is there and gives a unique character to the Pixel phone, I'm fine with it. The back of the phone also seems to be frosted, which if anything like the Pixel 8 Pro would feel really nice in the hands. Overall, I am happy with the design changes Google is making. The biggest change though is the size. Although the Pixel 9 Pro and the vanilla Pixel 9 share the same size, the design on the 9 Pro is going to be 0.1 or 0.2 inches larger than the vanilla Pixel. Obviously, this means the bezels on the 9 Pro will be much thinner as compared to the Pixel 9. The 6.2-inch display should make the phone feel almost the same size as the S24, which according to me was the ultimate compact Android phone. But looks like the S24 will be dethroned by the Pixel 9 Pro. As for the display itself, it should be 120Hz along with a brightness that's almost 2500 nits. And of course, the phone will be powered by the Tensor G4, which could be the last tensor based on Samsung's architecture. If you want the true Google SoC, you'll have to wait until next year for the Pixel 10. The battery should be similar to last year, but hopefully is much more efficient. One thing I really want to see is much faster charging, such as 45 watts. As for RAM, I suspect it to have 12 gigs, which should be plenty enough for this phone. However, I have to say I am a little disappointed in the fact that the starting storage variant of the phone will still be 128GB. I had hoped we would start getting 256GB base models, but looks like Google is in no hurry. Well, the least Google could do is price the phone at $899 or even $849 to be more competitive. In terms of cameras, not much is known other than the fact that it will have a telephoto lens. It could be a less powerful lens than the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I do hope it's at least a 3x sensor, that way the Pixel 9 Pro will have 1x, 2x and 3x zoom levels, which I think are the perfect combination. Whatever the hardware, expect software and AI to be the big things at the Pixel 9 launch. Oh, and don't forget, temperature sensor is still a thing. With a flagship level display, performance, camera and hopefully a decent battery life, the Pixel 9 Pro is certainly shaping up to be a big contender for the compact flagship of the year. What do you think about the Pixel 9 series so far? That's it for this video folks, subscribe and I'll catch you all in the next one.